In this aid, we will voice our by and large own and market's perspective on Lane future while examining the connection cost gauge for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, in a real sense remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like connection, which is very critical. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive especially profound into the connection value expectation and answer questions in the event that Lane is in every practical sense, wise venture or not, for what reason will Lane, all things considered, succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will connection value rise or drop, we should rapidly explicitly toss a look at what Lane really is and its to-date history, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Value expectation for the very next 90 days. The entire crypto world truly is on an edge of an undeniable, most certainly bear market, which is very critical. Bitcoin certainly has especially drooped half from its record-breaking certainly high in the midst of a more extensive market most certainly drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional sort of stable business sectors. Crypto generally is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous especially play and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees a green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking of some sort or another. This is explicitly reflected in our 2022 expectations, which for the most part is genuinely huge. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move in the truly inverse bearing and generally alter the course, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will in every way that really matters, begin to basically do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and kind of later history in a very enormous manner. Our cost expectation model is negative for the kind of next 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to truly wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex approach to crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical truly potential, and a few other truly exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. Connect Value Forecast 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the principal quarter of 2022 preceding. We in a real sense see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise in a significant manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 11.54%, $31.37. 2022 November, or so they explicitly thought, minus 27.74%, $25.63. 2022 December minus 22.94%, $27.33. 2023 January minus 15.34%, $30.03. 2023 February minus 11.31%, $31.45. 2023 blemish in a kind of significant manner. Minus 5.40%, $33.55. 2023 April minus 2.38%, $34.62. 2023 May plus 0.21%, $35.54. 2023 June in an unpretentious manner. Plus 7.80%, $38.23. 2023 July plus 18.35%, $41.97. 2023 August plus 17.84%, $41.79. 2023 September in an unpretentious manner. Plus 26.00%, $44.69. Lane Value Forecast 2025 in a significant manner. Our forecast model sees lane reaching $69.51 in 2025. What will lane be worth in 5 years? Amazingly, the cost of lane in 5 years could in every practical sense lie around $68.37, in spite of mainstream thinking. Interface value forecast 2030 to 2040. What connection will basically be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees connection reaching $173.78 in 2030 in a significant manner. What connection will essentially be truly worth in 2040? Our Guaging model sees connection reaching $347.56 in 2040. Will connection generally supplant/outperform/overwhelm Bitcoin? No, connection won't supplant or truly surpass BTC in an unobtrusive manner. Can connection reach $1,000 in an unpretentious manner? Indeed, connection could reach $1,000 toward 2025 in a significant manner's end. Is connection essentially worth purchasing in a significant manner? We are supporters of reasonably unsafe money management. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a container of enormous cap coins and the rest in little ventures with gigantic potential gain, which is genuinely critical. Thus, in this unique situation, connection merits purchasing. Is connection an excellent interest in an unobtrusive manner? Connect is, very much like all extremely other cryptographic forms of money, a dangerous interest in a quite large way. It has in every way that really matters, higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, by and large dynamic local area and an especially strong group behind it, which for the most part is very huge. How sort of much will connection be genuinely worth in an unpretentious manner? For the very momentary future, it could reach $21.70, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the truly long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $173.78 or even genuinely higher. For what reason will connection by and large succeed and get more expensive in an especially significant manner? Connect has a genuinely decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and that especially is the reason our expectation model sees connection ascending to $173.78 in 2030. For what reason will connection fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short because of multiple factors in a significant manner. The absolute most especially normal ones are, group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the undertaking, controllers pronounce it unlawful, and